Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another holiday look. I just did one. I think I posted it yesterday, but I'll link it up here in case you haven't seen it. So today we're going to be doing a green smoky eye for the holidays with just a little touch of sparkle. So the look that I'm wearing right now, this is the look that we're going to recreate today. And I think it's pretty easy. I only used 2 eyeshadows to create this look, in addition to the highlight that you'll see me use a little bit later on. So before we get into the tutorial, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Sonia. I go by Sister Philly on YouTube. Please consider subscribing before you leave today. I would greatly appreciate it and you really would be helping me out. And of course, for all of those who are already supporting my channel and you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you so much for coming back today. So let's get started with this green smoky eye. Okay, I already have primer on my eyes, so I'm starting out with the Emily Noel The Once palette. This palette is huge. I'm going in with this color here. This is called Corduroy, and I'm going to apply that to my crease area, and I'm going in with the M506 blending brush. And I'm holding the brush kind of close to the top because I do want this shade to go on kind of heavy. Next, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette. I'm going to take these 2 shades right here. So this green one is going to be the main color that I'm putting on my lid. I just think it's a bit too like lime green on its own. So I'm actually going to mix in a little bit of this color just to deepen it down just a little bit. So I'm going to start out with the M124 brush, and I'm going to use this one to get the color like right in the corner of my lid, and I'm just packing it on. And then I'm going to switch over to the M167 brush, and I'm going to do the same thing on most of the rest of my lid. I'm going back into the Once palette and I'm picking up this color Corduroy again. Now I'm using one of the brushes that comes with the, this is the brush that came with the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, and I'm going to use this side of the brush. And I'm going to pack that color Corduroy right on the outer part of my lid. And I like using this brush when I'm doing colors right here that I want to be like super pigmented, because this brush is like super dense, or this side of the brush. And I do want, even though I'm using the same color green, I want it to be more dense and more pigmented, just a little deeper in color right here as opposed to up on my lid. And then I'm going to take the other side of the brush. I'm picking up just a little bit of the same color, and I'm going to just try and soften the top of this out. All right, I'm switching over to a different brush. This is just a small round brush from Luxie, and again, I'm sticking with that same color Corduroy from the Once palette, and I'm going to drag that across the outer part of my lower lash line. So I'm kind of concentrating the color right on the outer part, but I am going to slightly diffuse it like right in the middle of my lower lash line, just so that there's not a very harsh stop right there. And I'm just dragging it up just a little bit, just trying to connect the two together. Alright, so this is what we're looking like so far. I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup. Then we're going to come back and I'm going to put on a little bit of inner corner and brow highlight. Okay, so I finished off the rest of my face. So I'm going to go in with my MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Double Gleam. I like doing all things like silver. I'm not really into gold. I do dabble in it and play around with it sometimes, but I like silver as opposed to gold. So if you decide to like recreate this look, you can definitely pair like a gold shimmer with it, but I'm gonna go with something a bit more silver. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna use it to highlight my brow. And I'm going to very slightly like overlap this highlighter like right on top of that green. I do want it to be kind of like a cascading effect over that green. And then I'm just going to switch to another brush and I'm going to use that same highlighter to highlight my inner corner. And I'm just putting on like a good amount of inner corner highlight just because it's a holiday look. So I'm just adding a little bit of sparkle to it. So I zoomed you out just a little bit so you can see my entire face. So this is the completed look. I really hope that y'all like the way that it turned out. In case you're interested, I'll make sure that I have everything that I'm wearing listed in my description bar. So if you did enjoy the video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Also leave me some feedback in the comments and let me know what you think about the look. So I really hope that I will see y'all back for my next video. Until then, take care. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.